Woohoo! Riding scooter again. I mean skateboard. Oh. Faster! Are you kidding me? Are you seriously can't ride this thing?
We can it? This is a place or we can?
This is so easy. You wanna switch? Here. Oh, there are cars. Oh, that's okay, I think. Yeah, we're gonna ride
So
here.
this is the place?
Yeah, turn left. Look at this broad road. You can just ride all day long. No interruptions. That's good.
This one is very easy, right?
Yeah. The scooter is very easy. What are you doing? Are you doing it on purpose or are you doing it on purpose or you really can't ride this? Oh, there's a bicycle to come from. Not bad, not bad. I'm getting used to it again. It's pretty fast. Dude! Faster, dude. You wanna switch? Do you find this easier? Which one do you think is easier? That is for sure easier. But I think you are having a great difficulty riding it. Green light. Can't ride a bicycle. Holy shit. So smooth. Ooh. You got it. Good job. No. You better. Way to go. Balance. No. What a beautiful day. So smooth. Riding a skateboard is like using a steady cam or gimbal. You gotta use your feet. It's beautiful. Maybe tomorrow you get better. Like,
Of course.
after a day, your brain take time in the sleep to memorize all the muscle memories. And the next day when you wake up, you suddenly just, oh,
I can arm squatter.
I know Kung Fu. Matrix. Neo wake up. I know Kung Fu. Like that.
Of course, he already downloaded it.
That's how it works. You need to sleep to get rest, and we learn in sleep.
That's true.
That's very true.
True.
Nice day it is.
Of course, today is very beautiful.
Very nice day.
Rainy plus sunny. It's gonna be relaxed.
I'm gonna just walk because there could be cars. We're going to Chinese supermarket, pick up some snacks. Alright, this way, to the left. The neighborhood is pretty. For yourself, if you want to change your hairstyle.
That's why I make Chinese piano.
Okay.
This one.
It's Chinese ramen noodle. Classic.
Noodle.
Roast beef. It's really delicious.
Roasted?
Roasted beef. Yeah. I'm gonna grab some snacks, random snacks here.
For what?
For breakfast. Sack and porridge. Nice
No,
stuff.
what you take it?
It's really good.
This one.
Yeah, those buildings, those trees, those stuff, man. Must be rich people living here.
Special dust.
Fancy stuff.
Dusty.
Love it.
I love this place.
Nice. Good job.
Well done, well done.
Yeah, well done. Time to cook. Noodle. The water is about to boil. And it's time to cook the noodle. Oh, delicious stuff. Oh, those fake flavors from little package. This is the future of gastronomy, the future of food, future of human nutrition. This is what all human will eat every day in the future, in 100 years. Everything is pre-packaged in a little bag. Nothing is cooked. It's like space food, like vacuumed food. You just, rehydrate it and you're done. So cooking this is very easy. You turn on the light without the air. So just dump all the sauce in there and then just wait for it. And you are done. And that's it for today's vlog. It's been a while since I made a vlog. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Also, it feels good to be vlogging again